will first need to download Python. For this, you can visit the website python.org. Click on Downloads and Windows. Select version 3.6.2 because this is the version we will be using in this training. Once the download is complete, click on the file to start installing Python. Python installation for Windows is a wizard-based process, which means that you will see step-by-step instructions. On the first screen, make sure you select the option Add Python 3.6 to Path. Then, click on the Customize Installation option. Retain the default selections and click on Next. On the Advanced Options screen, I suggest you to change the installation location to a shorter and simpler path. Select the option Install for all users. Once you are done, click on Install. The installation may take several minutes based on your system configuration and other factors. Good work!